Hi, I'm Christina. I'm here from the City of Richmond to show you how easy and convenient it is to recycle. It's important to recycle correctly because these items are sold as a commodity to help keep your city utility fees down. I'm here today to talk to you about the yellow bag, which recycles mixed paper. Acceptable items in the yellow bag are cardboard, which can be folded and placed in, newspaper, paper egg cartons, and coffee sleeves, which need to be removed from the drinking cup. When it comes to cardboard boxes, we ask that you take out the plastic bag and flatten the box. Unacceptable items in the yellow bag are drinking cups and paper containers that hold liquids. These should be placed in your blue box. Also not accepted in the yellow bag are paper bags with foil lining. These should be disposed of in the garbage as it is difficult to separate these materials. If you have additional cardboard, you can bundle them as so. 3 feet by 2 feet by 4 inches. This can be placed on the curb beside your blue box, or you can take it to the Richmond Recycling Depot. Thanks to all of you for helping us have good quality recycling.